Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that could change the way you think about diabetes management. We'll explore an ancient spice that has been used for centuries, not just for flavoring food, but also for its remarkable health benefits. This spice has shown promising potential in naturally reversing diabetes, and we're here to uncover how it works. In this video, we'll discuss the science behind this spice, its active compounds, and how they can help regulate blood sugar levels. We'll also share some practical tips on how to incorporate this spice into your daily diet, making it easy for you to harness its benefits. Whether you're managing diabetes yourself or simply looking to improve your overall health, you won't want to miss this information. So, stick around as we reveal the secrets of this ancient spice and how it can play a vital role in your journey toward better health. Diabetes is a chronic condition that occurs when the body cannot effectively regulate blood sugar levels. There are several types of diabetes, but today we'll focus on type 2 diabetes, which is the most common form. In type 2 diabetes, the body either becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough insulin to maintain normal glucose levels. Globally, diabetes has reached epidemic proportions, affecting over 400 million people. This alarming prevalence is linked to various health complications, including heart disease, kidney failure, and nerve damage. Managing diabetes is crucial not only for maintaining blood sugar levels, but also for preventing these serious health issues. As we explore the world of diabetes management, it's essential to highlight the role of natural remedies. Many individuals are turning to holistic approaches, including dietary changes and herbal supplements, to complement traditional treatments. These natural options can provide additional support in managing blood sugar levels and improving overall health, making them an important consideration for anyone affected by diabetes. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a remarkable ancient spice known as cinnamon. This beloved spice has a rich history, dating back thousands of years, where it was highly valued not only for its flavor, but also for its medicinal properties. In traditional medicine, cinnamon has been used across various cultures, from ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese medicine, as a remedy for a range of ailments, including digestive issues and respiratory problems. Cinnamon originates from the inner bark of trees belonging to the cinnamomum family, primarily found in Southeast Asia. Its warm, sweet flavor has made it a staple in culinary traditions worldwide, but its health benefits are what truly set it apart. The active compounds in cinnamon, particularly cinnamaldehyde, are believed to play a crucial role in its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. As we delve deeper into the benefits of this ancient spice, you'll discover how it can be a powerful ally in managing diabetes naturally. Numerous studies have highlighted the effectiveness of cinnamon in managing diabetes, particularly in lowering blood sugar levels. One key study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that participants who consumed cinnamon daily experienced a significant reduction in fasting blood glucose levels. Another research review indicated that cinnamon supplementation could improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to utilize glucose effectively. The mechanisms behind these benefits are fascinating. Cinnamon is thought to enhance insulin signaling and slow down the digestion of carbohydrates in the intestines, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar after meals. Additionally, its antioxidant properties may reduce inflammation, a common issue in individuals with diabetes. Real-life testimonials further support these findings. Many individuals have reported positive changes in their blood sugar levels after incorporating cinnamon into their diets. For instance, one case study highlighted a person who, after adding cinnamon to their daily routine, saw a notable improvement in their HbA1c levels, showcasing the spice's potential as a natural aid in diabetes management. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily meals is both easy and delicious. One simple way to enjoy this spice is by adding it to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. You can also sprinkle it on top of smoothies for an extra flavor boost. For a savory twist, try adding cinnamon to stews or curries, where it complements other spices beautifully. When it comes to daily intake, a common recommendation is about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon per day. You can easily mix it into your meals or beverages, such as tea or coffee. For maximum benefits, consider using Ceylon cinnamon, which is known for its higher quality and lower coumarin content compared to cassia cinnamon. However, it's essential to keep a few precautions in mind. While cinnamon is generally safe for most people, Excessive consumption can lead to potential side effects, especially for those with liver issues. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about incorporating cinnamon into your diet. While incorporating cinnamon into your diet can be beneficial, it's essential to complement this with broader lifestyle changes for effective diabetes management. A balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables is crucial. This not only helps regulate blood sugar levels, but also supports overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, such as brisk walking or cycling. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity and helps maintain a healthy weight, both of which are important for managing diabetes. Additionally, stress management techniques can significantly aid in diabetes control. Practices such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help lower stress levels, which in turn can positively impact blood sugar levels. Finally, it's important to regularly monitor your blood sugar levels, especially when making dietary changes. Keeping track of your readings can help you understand how different foods and lifestyle choices affect your diabetes, allowing for more informed decisions moving forward. In summary, we've explored the incredible benefits of cinnamon, an ancient spice that has shown promise in reversing diabetes naturally. From its ability to lower blood sugar levels to enhancing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can be a valuable addition to your diabetes management toolkit. Remember, incorporating this spice into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise and stress management techniques, can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. Key takeaways include the importance of monitoring your blood sugar levels and making informed dietary choices. By understanding how cinnamon and other lifestyle changes can impact your health, you can take proactive steps toward better diabetes management. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from it. Explore our related videos for additional tips and strategies on managing diabetes effectively. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.